These mistakes are keeping you poor. In fact, studies shows that if you keep on repeating this mistake, you can never be free. In this video, I'm going to review some mistakes that you need to avoid if you want to be financially free. So number one mistake is irresponsibility. Always blame shifting, putting your mistakes, your failure, your fault on others. It's one of the mistakes that keep people broke or poor. You blame the government, you blame your father or your parents for not having a better life. You blame your uncles for everything. Now, the country is hard, but every day, new millionaires and billionaires keep emerging. People who blame others for their mistakes never go far in life. So learn to take responsibilities. Number two mistakes is earning and spending. If all you do with your money is just to make money and spend it, then being broke or being poor is closer than you think. No savings for emergency funds, no savings for investment. You might remain broke. Now, a wise man once said that your earning or your income consists of three things. One, your past. Two, your present. And the third one is your future. Have an investment plan. Nothing is too small to be invested. It is not about how much, it's about how consistent you're doing it. Number three, no vision, no goal. If you don't have a plan or you don't have a vision for your life, years can pass by and nothing changes. If you wake up every day, you go through the day, you go through the months, you go through the year without a single plan for your future. If you don't have a plan or a vision, your time will work against you instead of working for you. If you want to go back to school, why not do it? You want to learn a valuable skill, start now. You want to start a business, a side hustle, stop waiting, because the earlier you create a clear vision and plan for your life, the faster your life changes. Okay. So mistake number four, get quick rich mentality. So like we said, fast money disappears fast. Value is what brings money and not luck or magic. Stop chasing past money. So learn to give value, because in return, you will receive money for value. Mistake number five, being comfortable with your comfort zone. Staying too comfortable, too afraid to move. The fear of risk have kept a lot of people broke and poor. Ask any millionaire or any billionaires that are doing very well in their area of expertise. They became rich by stepping out of their comfort zone and taking calculated risk. Comfort zone is an enemy of growth. Mistake number six, buying liabilities instead of assets. If the only thing that comes to your mind whenever you have money is liabilities, there is a big problem. Buying cars, buying expensive gadgets, buying unnecessary things that takes money instead of creating it. Focus on assets that generate income, like investments, like a stock, like business. There are a lot of assets out there. Asset is what makes your money work for you, and liability is what makes your money to work against you. So if you are guilty of this, comment yes in the comment section. The last but not the least, number seven, reinforcing negativity about the rich. Always criticizing, gossiping, and saying things that the rich are greedy, the rich are selfish, the rich are this, the rich are bad, the rich are that. It doesn't just waste your energy, it also blocks your wealth mindset. If you believe that the rich are greedy, the rich are selfish, you might subconsciously avoid opportunities that can make you rich because you don't want to be seen as rich. So instead, why not learn their habit and study their wealth? If you avoid these mistakes, you will be on your way to financial freedom. So guys, tell me in the comment section, which of these mistakes do you think that most people are guilty of? Please drop your comments So if you find this video helpful, please like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel for more financial investment and mindset tips. See you in my next one.